Hello and welcome to today's home hint. In today's video I want to talk about hydrants, and if you live on an acreage and you are thinking about adding a hydrant, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. I'll show you what I've learned over the years and a better way to do it than what we see here today. So you can see that the hydrant is here. I just tested it, it's working fine. I don't like direct burial like this. If this, let's say this freezes up and splits, can't use it anymore. In fact, if it splits, as long as it's shut off, it should be fine. But if it starts leaking, then at any point down below, then you have to get a backhoe in to fix it. So the way I've done it in the past is you put in a 4-inch pipe with a pitless adapter at the bottom if you have a problem with the hydrant. And oftentimes the seals and everything inside will get seized up and you cannot lift the handle anymore. So by putting it in a 4-inch or a 5-inch plastic pipe, then you can lift it out of the pitless adapter, throw it away, buy a new one, put it back in, no digging required. One mistake I made in my most recent install, and I've done it about 3 times on the same hydrant over the years, I put it in a 10-inch culvert pipe, and I did that because it's close to a driveway and I thought if somebody hits it, that culvert will protect it. But being 10 inches round and the water table high in recent years, I ended up with it freezing up on me, so I had to make other remediations so it won't freeze. But putting in a pipe is recommended. So that's today's home hint for acreage owners. Hope that helped some of you. Stay tuned for the next home hint from Border Home Inspection.